Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a processing writing. Preparation of omelette. An omelette is a one kind of delicious food item. It is prepared easily at home through some simple steps. At first, eggs are taken in a bowl and beaten well with a fork. Then a little salt, chopped onion, green chili and coriander leaves are mixed with the eggs. Next, a frying pan is placed on the fire and a spoonful of oil or butter is put into it. When the oil becomes hot, the beaten egg mixture is put into the pan. The pan is then tilted so that the mixture spreads evenly. After a few minutes, the omelette is cooked on one side. It is carefully flipped to cook the other side. Finally, the hot omelette is folded and served on a plate, sometimes with bread or ketchup. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.